I like to describe myself as a fundamentally and positively dissatisfied person. One who is always striving to achieve perfection and to make the whole thing better, making my craftsmanship even more successful. To live the whole thing more intensely and, quite simply, to keep on progressing. My name is Michael Moser, a master butcher and meat sommelier from Landsberg in Bavaria. There is no other consumer product that we allow to get as close to us as our daily food, which is why it is so incredibly important to know where your food actually comes from, in a similar way to good wine. I am interested in the story behind it and in the history of a product. At the end of the day, it is man who has made it into what it is. Dry aging is simply the best way to obtain a good and authentic meat flavor. I'm a guy with a gut instinct for things, but also with a keen sense for commercial reality. I wish to have the best and most suitable solution for me, one that also works well. From day one, I was always fascinated by just how superbly the dry aging fridges of DryAger function without needing a water connection. The absolute reliability of products right from the start without my needing to be concerned about it. Perfect aging results for meat and sausage with minimal weight loss of no more than 8% when aging on the bone for periods of about 4 weeks. It's one appliance, maximum safety thanks to UVC antibacterial action, optimum airflow, and precise control of humidity and temperature. Every new customer is absolutely amazed when they step into our shop and see the walk-in DryAger. As you would expect, we can age beef loins, whole haunches, half pigs, and whole lambs. Thanks to the DryAger, I am finally able to age this wide variety of products together. Ever since I've practiced this profession, one that I really love, I have never before experienced the same sense of value in my craftsmanship than I am now able to do. I am Michael Moser. For me, meat is a vocation and a passion. DryAger, the aging solution for meat, ham, and salami. The original, made in Germany.